wait for your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'All right, off and underway with race number 23. TQ is Sean Parle, 13.505 right now. The top 3 drivers all quicker than the current TQ. One minute down, 4 to go. It's Chris Wesson, your leader in the 5. That's the purple truck going up the staircase on the left side, through the sweeper and down the straightaway. Chris Wesson coming by with a 22.5. His pace is a 14.512. So Wesson right now slaughtering that TQ, but Jake McGarvey only 2 seconds behind. Rodney Angelito running 3rd with Art Crescitelli in 4th. James Dyer 5th, Jimmy Webster 6th, Jamal White 7th, and Dave Barber in the 8th spot. Rocking and rolling here. Don't forget about that free Rockstar energy drink over at the upgrade tent. Chris Wesson, 14 and a 5.13 is your lead pace right now with a 3.5 second lead over Jake McGarvey. Rodney Angelito in 3rd, Jimmy Webster now moving up to the 4th spot with Art Crescitelli 5th, Dyer 6th, White 7th, Barber 8th.
Left.
So once again, guys, you have all weekend, and when we get to those main events, they're going to be fast and furious. So a lot of guys going to be back-to-back. A lot of guys going to be back-to-back in those main events. Easy, Chris. Man, just gonna give away TQ by going full throttle everywhere. That's gonna hurt. Let's see. He was on a 14.515 pace last time by. Now down to a 13.503, and now Jake McGarvey taking over the lead by 1.2 seconds. So Wesson only 1 second behind your leader now. So although that hurt him, could have hurt him a lot less without that full throttle. Got to maintain composure at all times when you're racing. See those pro drivers, they have a mistake, they just get right back into it. Nothing you can do, what's done is done. Let's get her done. All right. Especially with using your best 2 out of 4 in IFMAR qualifying, qual points and all that stuff. All right, so Chris Wesson now taking back the lead. Chris Wesson, your leader now by 1.4 seconds over Jake McGarvey. Fastest lap of the race, 21.8 for Chris Wesson. Nobody else has done a 21-second lap, and now Wesson is broke. Art Crescitelli is broke as well. So Jake McGarvey, with 5 seconds to go, going to inherit that lead. Valuable points coming to everybody else in this race. Because remember, each round counts for itself. Turn marshal, don't worry about the truck. That one's broken already, don't worry about that one. He'll be fine over there in the bushes. Keep him going, guys, keep him going. Keep them going, keep them going. Waiting for a couple more. And that's going to do it. Weston and Crescitelli are out, so everybody is done. So Jake McGarvey taking the win, and the